What's happening, everybody? We're going to do another reaction video here, and we have CNBC conversing with Jim Cramer about Pfizer. So let's go ahead and jump in there and take a look and see what they got going on.
Let's start, though, Jim, with this FDA report on the Pfizer data, which they're going to look at as they meet. The advisory committee meets this week. I mean, it's one thing to hear it from Pfizer, but some of these charts are truly remarkable as the curve bends really after one dose.
Yeah, this was big news, and I know that Dr. Gottlieb retweeted that graph, which just showed you a remarkable bring it on kind of results.
Damn right.
That
Bring
make
it on.
me feel, again, that we are going to be in a situation where things are going to change rather dramatically in 2021.
If they haven't
and I
already,
think people
let's
are going to
go.
have to start getting ready and realize that this market's been going up because of some people recognizing that maybe things are well ahead. I've got an article in my hands from Greenmantle, a publication out of Britain, which says there's going to be a vaccine glut in the advanced economies. David, a vaccine glut. Well, wouldn't that be good news?
Yes, that would be good news.
All right.
We would hope that, well, first of all,
Let's dive in here, okay? I really love Cramer, and I love watching CNBC, huge fan, but here is the reality. If you take a look here, right, let's start with the 4-hour. You can see a little bit more in detail what's going on here. And the truth be told, back in November when Trump mentioned this name of the company and about having vaccines, we got a little pop. And we were actually covering it in our IMTF trade chat room. Manesh Patel was all over this. And the truth be told, I feel like we've already missed our opportunity to get in and take this up. If you're getting in now, you're pretty much chasing the market. If you do take a look here, we'll go through the daily. Same thing here, just really defines certain levels that would have been great to get in on a pullback after Trump made his announcement, and you can see it popped up, gapped up a little bit out of the cloud, and then we had a major pullback to the cloud, and then it took off. And here on the weekly, we're already breaking out and headed up towards a preserve mode. So in all honesty, not only did we miss the pullback, we missed the breakout, and we're getting ready to get to what I would consider our first target. And to jump in now would be risky. So again, maybe, I don't know, in all fairness, best advice, be conservative, is you missed the boat. It already took off. I would wait for the next major pullback. Look for your targets, where it's going to head out, and go from there. Let's take a look at the monthly too. You can see here, it spiked all the way down to the bottom of the cloud, closed back above the cloud, which was some very strong bullish sentiment, came back above the Cajunson, which is the green line, and now we pulled back to that at that point at a crucial timing element with those black crosses, and then just has taken off. You can see over the last 2 months. So again, we definitely have missed the opportunity to get in. If you weren't already in, I'd be a little cautious about chasing the market here. You always got to be careful, especially when it's reached CNBC in the news and the headlines and all this stuff. By then, it's already too late. You really want to be in the game before the news hits, and then that's more of a confirmation that you're right. And then again, you'll get that, more of a little bit of a push of, everybody else trying to dive in and jump in on it, and then, capture that profit. Hopefully that's what you're doing, taking some money off the table and putting it in the bank, and, let a little bit ride. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of feedback for you. Don't try to get too caught up in the hype. Make sure you follow the charts. Let that be your final analysis. I got nothing wrong with fundamentals. They're exactly that. They're fun. But I'll use some technical analysis to help back up your entries, your exits, things like that, to give you a game plan. Be smart, keep your risk low, and your reward will always be high.